Good night, teacher. My name is Gustavo Zuluaga Alzate. I work at the Fortunato Gaviria Otero Educational Institution in the rural sector of the municipality of Villa Maria as a teaching director. I advanced studies at the University of Caldas as an agronomist. I also studied the specialization in educational management at the Catholic University, and currently I am studying the fourth semester of the master's degree in pedagogy. My research question: what are the innovative pedagogical practices implemented by the teachers of the educational institution? Research of the same type has been carried out, such as educational innovation as a development instrument, the role of the teacher in the processes of education innovation, teaching innovation, and the use of information and communication technologies in university education. Innovative pedagogical practices mediated by information and communication technologies. Pedagogical practices an opportunity to innovate in education, evaluation of the educational management process for the integration of didactic models mediated by information and communication technologies. My research work is focused on making visible the pedagogical practices carried out by the teachers and that are innovative, that contribute to the development of significant learning in students in order to be socialized and replicated in the institution and other contexts. The research work will be carried out in the 9 locations that belong to the institution at the different levels that it offers: basic primary education, basic secondary education, and technical secondary education. The research work has been advanced by approximately 50%, and it is expected to be completed in 2 months. Thank you very much, teacher.